Okay. Make sure you can see the board and you're in a spot where you've got your own room. Okay, here we have our poster, our sound poster of the A sound. And remember, the main ones we're looking at are the A-I for A, the A-Y for A, and A with the E on the end, the magic E. The other ones are used, but they're not used that much. So look at these ones, the A-Y, A, A-I, A, and A with the magic E on the end. So, we are going to be listening to sounds. We are going to count sounds in our fingers, and we're going to use our dumb hands today to help if we need to. So, first thing I need you to do is I want you to first of all count how many sounds we have in the word play. How many sounds? I haven't asked you to draw anything because we're counting. We might have to use our sound fingers. We might have to use our duck hands. Alright, are you ready to do it with me? Let's go. We've got how many sounds? 3. Let's draw our 3 sound lines. 1, 2, 3. So we can work out how to spell play. Mitchell, I need you to sit up so your feet don't go on Claire's foot. Ellen, sorry. Play. The first sound. Curler. A. H. Is our first sound. Down the higher is flat, and around is space for the H sound. Curler. A. Now this is where we have to look at our A poster that I've helped you by putting the sounds up here today. We need to now choose one. Now we're only beginning to learn, aren't we? So we just have to have a choice of one and we'll see if it's right. Okay? So you go and choose which one you think might go on the end. And then we'll see whether you chose the right one today. I have to wait for everybody to finish. Not everybody has chosen a sound to go on the end. Alright. You could have written this. I'm not telling you which one it is yet. You could have written this. Or you could have written this. But you couldn't have written the magic E because we didn't have a sound that we in between there. So it had to be this one, this one. So when I put the letters together closely, because I really want to have a look, because I can read well. And if I'm reading, and I might have read this word before, which one do I think looks right from reading? Drum roll. You can do a drum roll today. The one that is correct is this one. Alright, are you ready for your next one? Not very good. Duster, is it? Oh, doesn't matter. It's okay. Alright, next one. It's okay that I didn't have as much space as you. The next one we are going to write is going to be what the little red hen has to plant. A grain of wheat. Remember she planted a little grain? A grain. So let's use our sound fingers to figure out how many lines we need. I'm going to use my duck hair to check. 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's start filling in the lines then. all three ways that we could choose. I'm just going to write quickly on my board. It could be, I've got to start, grr. It could be this one. It could be this one. And it could be this one with the magic E. My goodness. And that's when I've got to look and go, oh, when I do my reading, can I remember what it looked like? Can I remember what the A sounds like and looks like when it's in the middle of a word? All right, have you chosen one? Drum roll. The winning A is this one. Because the A-I-A sound is usually in the middle. The A-Y one is usually at the end. So if you chose that one, was great. And, you know, sometimes the magic E, but that one wasn't the magic E one. Well done. Yeah, good one. Bravo. There's not four. Sorry, how many sounds in green? Girl. And there's not five sounds. Just because it might have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters doesn't mean it's 5 sounds, though, does it? Because remember, here's 2 letters together. But it's not 2 sounds. It just makes 1 sound. What's the 1 sound? So just because there's another letter there doesn't mean it makes more sounds. Don't be tricked on that. All right. I'm going to have to give this whiteboard a good clean at the end, aren't I? Look how black it's getting. All right, you ready? Let's see. We are going to figure out the sounds and write the word name. How many sound lines, everybody? 3. 1, 2, 3. Is it going to be aim? Aim? Is it going to be a magic E name? Sometimes I think, oh, I've seen that word lots of times on my activity sheets. What it looks like name. Then we can write my name. This is the name that I remember. Might give me a clue. So I know the first sound is down on the over, isn't it? I know the last sound is Doesn't mean it's the last letter though, does it? The last sound, yes. Could it be this one? Does that look right? Could it be this one? Does that look right? Or could it be this one? Yes. Does that look right? Think about it. Can you remember seeing it? Name rhymes with game. Rhymes with same. Maybe I can remember what same looks like. Game looks like. Okay. Got an idea down the way? This time it is the magic E one. Well done. Clean your board. Put your whiteboard marker away. And I need you to get a sentence strip, please, to read to your friends. You can put your boards on my brown chair. You want to get a sentence strip?